Hello and welcome to the Daily Self-Love Podcast once again. Wishing you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. On this auspicious occasion last year, on 29th August 2022, I launched the very first season of the Daily Self-Love Podcast, and in a total run of 96 episodes, I completed 2 seasons of it. And today, again, on this auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, I'm so excited to welcome you all once again to this exciting new chapter in your self-love journey. I'm thrilled to announce the launch of Season 3 of the Daily Self-Love Podcast by your self-love lifestyle mentor and life and business clarity coach, CS Neha Bajaj. That's me. As we step into this next phase of self-discovery and empowerment, get ready for a dynamic blend of insights, stories, and actionable advice that will empower you to embrace self-love like never before. In this season, I promise to take you on a transformative journey where you will explore radical self-acceptance while diving deep into the practice of loving and accepting yourself wholly, flaws and all. Also, you will learn how to overcome self-doubt by learning the practical strategies to silence that inner critic and boost your self-confidence. Cultivating resilience and discovering how to bounce back stronger from life's challenges equipped with newfound self-love. Setting healthy boundaries. Now, this is one of the super most amazing thing wherein you will uncover the art of setting healthy boundaries to prioritize your well-being. Also, you will know about mindful living and exploring the power of mindfulness, its role in nurturing self-love. I'll also bring to you guests on my show, the thought leaders, experts, and individuals who have transformed their lives through self-love. And what's more? Well, you'll hear about some inspiring success stories as well. So be ready to get inspired by real-life stories of individuals who have harnessed the incredible power of self-love to overcome adversity and achieve their dreams. Each episode promises to be a meaningful conversation, a dose of inspiration, and a practical guide for you to embrace self-love as a way of life. So whether you are a long-term listener or just joining me on this journey now, fasten your seatbelts because Season 3 of the Daily Self-Love Podcast is set to be a remarkable exploration of self-discovery, growth, and empowerment. Stay tuned because your path to a more self-loving, self-assured, and fulfilled you begins here. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and join this community as I am starting to re-embarking on this incredible journey with you all together. And just for your information, as I am seeing the stats right now, I have 53% of the US people as my amazing listeners and 31% tuning in from India, while the rest are from other countries. All I wish for is your constant support, love, and suggestions for improvement, and also anything specific you wish me to cover. In short, let's keep it even more engaging this time. You promise your full attention, and I promise to help you become the next better version of yourself with clarity, confidence, and self-love. That's it for today. Looking forward to all your best wishes. Until next time, stay blessed, stay happy, and stay self-loved. Sayonara.